Family Man is the biggest show, which has crossed over majorly. You think Raj and DK will allow anyone to really regulate or censor them? Because this Family Man's contract was made for 3.5 years back. Some of the makers, they should calm down with their own freedom.
When it comes to religious content, otherwise, that is being controlled, right? That is obviously.
I don't know. I really don't know because look at Family Man season 1. We didn't face any controversy. I tried very hard to get into national scope drama, but I failed every time.
Hello everyone, my name is Rudrani, and today I have a very special guest on my show. He's an actor who's extremely talented and who's someone still is so authentic and real, which is very rare in the industry. And I have huge amount of respect for him. I'm talking about, of course, the very talented Manoj Bajpayee. Hello, thank you for doing this.
Oh, thank you, Rudrani. It's always lovely talking to you.
पहले ये तो बता दूं कि like all of you all know, he's been recovering, and how's the process been for you? And I really hope that you completely recover. You don't look that well, obviously.
Today we tested negative, so that's a good news. Both me and my Shivana, my wife, and so yeah, that's a good news. A little bit of a relief, but the side effect of it is massive. The weakness is something that I'm finding very difficult to deal with. But yeah, some stomach infection, the weakness. There are other complications which is surfacing. So I think it will take another month. This is what everyone's saying, that it takes 1 month for it to really settle down. But as I said, I have to finish all the interviews since I'm driving this film Silence, which started streaming today. Hopefully, people will like it, and when they like it, they appreciate it. Everything you just forget.
Congratulations, Manoj. So well deserved.
Thank you.
National award-winning actor again.
Thank you very much. Thank you. It's winning for Bhosle is a great joy, not only for me but for everyone who's been associated with the film, including Devashish Makhija, who is our writer director. The journey of Bhosle started 5 years back with no support and no takers, and then making the film with almost no money, and then getting money to complete the film, to getting Asia Pacific, one of the biggest award, and then ending the journey with national award. What more one expects from a film?
Was national award that one thing that you always as an actor looked up to, or did that?
There used to be time when national awards used to be without any controversy, without any debates. But I mean, sadly since a few years, actually 10 15 years, I say, it is any award, when I see shrouded with controversy, I feel very bad. I really feel bad, because at the end of the day, it is never about the people who are getting the award. It is always about the institution which is giving away the award, and it always makes a dent on their credibility. National awards, whenever I got my awards, national awards or any other award, I have always been very happy about one thing, Rudrani, that me getting those awards have never created any kind of a wrong debate, or never it has fallen into any kind of a controversy. So when you get that award, you look at it every morning with a lot of pride.
Yeah.
Then I feel that I not only deserved it, but people loved the fact that I got it.
Yeah.
So that's a different kind of a feeling. And then I wear them with a lot of happiness and a lot of pride. Yeah.
Another really favorite person of mine to interview is Pankaj Tripathi, and there is no interview where he doesn't bring you up. And it just warms my heart to see the kind of respect that he has for you. Because he says that, when he used to read your name from his small little town, he used to feel like, I can do it because of him. Does that sort of make you nostalgic sometimes? And also, have you ever felt like this for someone? Someone where you look up to and felt like, oh, if he can, maybe one day I can. Because at your time, there wasn't really anybody who was doing this from your village or anybody else.
Yeah, in my time, Mr. Shatrughan Sinha was there, but that too, he was from Patna, not
Correct.
from a village, and he came from a privileged family. So, a boy from a village never could see that way. I didn't have anyone uh, to look at, for that kind of inspiration. But it really warms my heart when Pankaj talks like this about me. But I also know that Pankaj has become quite a name, and people love him, and people give him so much of warmth, and they admire him. Today he's gone much ahead. Uh, he may have, one thing he said, that if Manoj Bajpayee from that village can make it, why can't I make it? And that thinking was very right. That anybody can go on a journey and make a very big name for themselves. They can see a dream, and they can really realize those dreams. But as far as I know that Pankaj has been greatly inspired by Irfan, and Irfan's performance. That's what I was reading, and uh, I knew about it. And he went into National School of Drama. I never had a chance to get into National School of Drama. You know, so that way, Pankaj has always been far ahead of me.
Do you have regrets like that as an actor?
No, I wouldn't say regrets. These are not regrets. I mean, I tried very hard to get into National School of Drama, but I failed every time. Somewhere I fell short. Uh, in all of that matter, I feel that Pankaj and all of these guys were, uh, far. They had a far uh, more worthwhile journey than mine. So in that sense, I am greatly inspired by Pankaj and all of his generation actors.
What is the tricky part of thriller, and how do you select a good thriller? Because it can go wrong. So
I mean, who done it kind of a thriller is a very tricky thing to do. With other genre, you have to be truthful, you have to be in the moment, you have to be the character. You work on it, you try to do justice to it. But with who done it, worldwide, it's the actors are are truthful. At the same time, they are very much aware of the audience. How much to give, how much you can give away, how much you cannot give away through your expression and performance is a thing that you have to decide all the time. It has to be measured accordingly. So it's a very different kind of a skill which it requires in a whodunit kind of a film. I have always been a fan of whodunit. I mean, be it Sherlock Holmes or Alfred Hitchcock and so many other films that I have seen from the West. They always kind of thrilled me or excited me. And I'm tomorrow, if I get a chance like that, definitely I would like to be part of it in a much bigger way. But when Aban's script came to me, I thought, this is such a fantastic whodunit thriller, which is actually focusing on the investigation part than anything else. So you see these officers really putting their minds into it and trying to find small details about the murder and the activities of all the other people who are related to the dead person, and how they are trying to put 2 + 2. It's such a fascinating process of trying to find the answer. Look at the character and the backstory. I mean, this guy who's so lonely, and is somebody so good with his job, but he's a divorcee whose wife is already married to someone else, and his daughter lives in London away from him, and all he's trying to do is to, to do things uh, according to his daughter's wish, so that she can visit him once. With that kind of backstory, this man, throws himself into the job. He's impatient, he's restless on the job, but at the same time, he's waiting for his daughter with so much of patience, and doing things what she wants him to do, so that she can come to India and visit him. I know that these are the things which I have never done before, and also the process of investigation, which is so detailed. Uh, so the all of these elements that made quite interesting for me to just go on the set and give everything, whatever I have, for the film.
I like this meme as well.
Okay. I know.
Yeah, आपने ऐसा confronting the friend who backs out on long weekend plans. करते हो आप ऐसा confront करते हो कि नहीं?
नहीं, मैं ज्यादा, मेरे तो ज्यादातर दोस्त अब तो सब अपने अपनी दुनिया में चले गए, and everyone is busy with their family life and the job. Some of them have grown up children. I have a daughter who is 10 years old and sitting next to me and giving me dirty looks.
Have you increased her internet time or have you not? The last time we
No,
spoke,
internet time. Right now, she wants to watch the TV. And because Mama is watching that TV, so she wants to watch this TV, and she's asking me to finish this interview so that she can watch the TV in this room. So yeah, so the women power in our in my home. Okay, finish your food.
आपकी नहीं चलती है घर में बस.
नहीं, मेरी नहीं चलती है, सिर्फ आवा की इस घर में चलती है. She is the boss here.
You have told me once about how sometimes when you've taken out experiences, dark experiences, to channelize that energy into a certain character of yours, you've been very effective. तो वो process बहुत affect करता है आपको. Do you not do that anymore? Do you, while you're acting for a role, have you stopped taking that energy from your own experiences to put it in the role?
Rudrani, I mean, I do it, but with very few roles. Silence didn't demand that. Kind of silence demanded certain kind of alienation from the character. And I have done a film called Dial 100, which is in production. Even that film is a very emotionally, it's an emotional thriller. Again, I'm playing a cop, but of a different kind. It's produced by Sony Pictures. Maybe it will come in theater, maybe on OTT. We still don't know. Even no matter how emotional that is, I could afford some kind of alienation from the character. But there are films like Bhosle, Gali Guliya. These films, they demand everything. Like the film that I'm doing, Dispatch, with Kanu Behel, being produced by Ronnie Screwvala. It is kind of takes so much out of me that at times I fall sick. At times I feel that I don't think I'll be able to go to the set next day. It becomes so difficult. There
has obviously been so many rules and regulations coming out for OTT and social media, and they are being ruled out. Does that bother you as an actor, as an artist? As to how is this going to affect the future of content? You're someone who's done so much on OTT and experimented.
I mean, there was always a censor board for films, So, and I have always said that you should give categories, for films. 18 years, 12 years, and 7 years, like that. You should not be censoring a creative flow. But having said that, the government has asked the platforms to regulate the content themselves. I think that's kind of a relief here. Government is asking the OTTs to have their own body to regulate it, self-regulate it. And I hope that the platforms will not interfere too much with the creative flow of the director.
But when it comes to religious content, otherwise, that is being controlled, right? That is obviously.
I don't know. I really don't know, because I mean, look at Family Man season 1. We didn't face any controversy.
Correct.
And to say Family Man season 1 was not an easy season. Okay,
Hmm.
everybody thought that there will be controversy. We didn't face even a single uh,
That you did.
objection. And also, I feel that going away from your question, I must also reiterate that uh, some of the makers, they should calm down with their own freedom. you know it uh, some of the shows that I see, or the film that I see on OTT, I sometimes, before this whole regulation thing started coming into the news, I always felt that they were going overboard. There was no need for that, those kind of expletives, or those kind of sequences, one after another. What is it? I know that the freedom is making you, do all sorts of things. Sometimes you just forget what you want to say, and you just, get indulgent with it. But as a filmmaker, as creative person, we have to go with the creative flow, rather than just feeling indulgent with it.
People feel like the time that season 2 is taking is because people are regulating the content and they have their own
No, no,
flow.
no, 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 no. Let me put everyone's speculation at rest, because first of all, you have to believe me when I'm saying it. No matter how
Sure.
much I start shouting, if they don't believe it, they will not believe it. Season 2 is ready, locked. This Family Man, I'm so glad I'm part of it. Family Man is the biggest show, which has crossed over majorly. Why do we speculate all the wrong things? You think Raj and DK will allow anyone to really regulate or censor them?
That's
Because this Family Man's contract was made for 3.5 years back.
yeah.
So even if somebody wants to regulate it, our contract doesn't fall into that.
In fact, you went ahead and also made it very clear on Twitter, which is great, on social
Yeah,
media, because that's the
I had
only
to
time I
really
saw you
shut them up.
respond.
I had to
Yeah.
shut them up. They should feel that, this is the only series I'm part of. I'm not taking up any series and every series which is being offered to me. I decided to be part of only Family Man for a very long time. And
Really,
I'm
only
very,
this.
yeah, only this, unless and until some limited series that I'm offered and which is so mind blowing.
Ah.
But I'm not going to be part of any series and every series which is being offered to me. It's too much of a work, and I'm not capable of committing myself for that long a time to anything. Family Man is just enough for me. But yeah, they should feel that I'm very possessive about this. Yeah, I mean, we really make it with a lot of sweat and blood. You should come on the set to see how we work. We work like
I will love
donkeys.
to.
Please come, be my guest on season 3. Be my guest. Where are you from, Rudrani? No,
But
but
I'm
where
from
exactly?
Kolkata.
Oh, Kolkata. So if we are, I mean, you never know. We may be shooting in Kolkata for next
I
season,
know.
so you can
है ना?
visit us. But only thing is that you will have to get kosha mangsho and sausage march from your home, and then we'll eat together in my van in Kolkata.
It's been, you know what, I आपने ना मेरे से दुखते दिल पे हाथ रख दी, because it's been 5 months. I'm turned vegetarian man. और
That's so
सबसे
bad for a
मुश्किल मुझे
Bengali.
ये जो आपने ये जो शोरशे मार्च बोला और ऐसे, ये मुझे बहुत मिस होता है. बट एनीवे, दैट इज ट्रू. बहुत कुछ ज्यादा ही मिस होता है. व्हाट इज इट दैट यू रियली स्टिल होप पीपल कम अप टू यू विद? व्हाट इज इट दैट दे आर स्टिल नॉट ऑफरिंग, एंड व्हाट इज इट दैट दे स्टिल want you to keep doing, and that sort of annoys you, saying ये मैं तो कर चुका हूँ? What are those?
you know, uh, what happens with the experience and age, Rudrani. The impatience grows. Okay, the only thing saves me, only thing that saves me is because people respect me, so they take my scolding very in a very quiet way, and they don't respond back. So मैं डांट देता हूँ उनको कितनी बार.
क्या बोलते हो आप?
जब
जानना है ये.
मैं उनको हमेशा ये बोलता हूँ कि क्यों दे रहे हो मुझे ये, अब क्यों दे रहे हो. आज तो वो बेचारे पका जाते हैं. They get a little nervous, but I really thank them for really bearing me, bearing with me, and my temper sometime. But I really don't want. I'm always looking for new kind of stories, new kind of characters. I know one thing I don't want to shoot now is in Bombay. I shot enough in Bombay. I want to get out. Somebody please take me to Switzerland, please.
हर चप्पा गली हर गांव देख
हर
चुके हैं
जगह
आप यहाँ पे.
No, no, India में तो सब देख चुका हूँ. If you want to shoot with me in India, please shoot with me either in Kerala or in Northeast. Rest of the places I have explored. Okay, enough of it.
तो अगर कोई अच्छा स्क्रिप्ट लिख रहा है, एक तो स्विट्जरलैंड कर देना उसमें.
स्विट्जरलैंड कर दो, लंदन कर दो, या फिर वेनिस कर दो. कुछ तो कर दो कि मेरी फैमिली भी आ सके. मेरी फैमिली तो जाती ही नहीं है, ऐसी इसी जगह शूटिंग करता हूँ मैं, तो वो कहते हैं नो 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 यू गो, we are not visiting you.
Neha has never visited you. I mean, let's scratch that. Neha didn't want to visit you on a set.
No, I mean, even if I'm shooting abroad and she's there, she doesn't come on the set because she knows that I am a different person. She doesn't get that attention from me, so she wants to avoid that kind of a confrontation or that kind of a treatment. Okay, from me, so that's why she doesn't come on the set. अगर चाहते हो कि मैं पढ़ूं तो फिल्म आपकी अब्रॉड में सेट होनी चाहिए.
हाँ,
या फिर नॉर्थ ईस्ट में, अरुणाचल और सिक्किम वगैरह में. या फिर अगर इधर उधर का दोगे तो मैं शुरू में पढ़ूंगा ही नहीं. अभी तो मैं पढ़ूंगा ही नहीं, बिल्कुल ही नहीं.
It was always such a lovely pleasure talking to you, Manoj.
Thank you.
I'm really looking forward to Silence.
It's so lovely. I mean, now Silence is there. There is no first day collection, second day collection, third day collection. Oh, it's a hit. Oh, it's a flop. So there is, it's there. You like it, show it to your family members, your friends. If you don't like it, just keep quiet.
जो भी है बातें अच्छी बोलना और मनोज को टैग करना सोशल मीडिया में. मनोज, I'm there. I have your back. All right, on that note, thank you so much. Bye, Manoj.
Thank you, Gurdani. Thanks a lot. Lovely.
Bye.